we have this perfume, and we bought it from Vavavoom or somewhere. See this? This is Daddy's perfume, guys. So this is from Vavavoom. We bought it from Marina Mall for Dad.
Welcome back to my channel. We will do shopping haul now. So as you can see, my son took it out already. This is the Tom Ford perfume or Tom Ford Noir Extreme
for Tom Ford perfume
for men, guys.
Three lid. Call like one.
So we bought this from Vavavoom, and at the same time we have the freebie. Ayan, may kasamang gift, guys. I'll show you what's this soon. Ang ganda ng packaging niya, guys. So gold. Ayan.
Ang packaging alay sa gold.
Let's open. I will show it to you.
Alay sa gold.
May ngayon yung anak ko.
Ang packaging alay sa silver.
So, yung takip niya may nakalagay na TF.
Let's see what's this, guys. Let's see what's this, guys.
I'll show you the perfume itself. Yan. Ay! Natanggal yung ano. Yung
one more.
yan. Give me the lid, boy. So, this is how it looks like.
Hold it.
Ayan.
Oh, it's also candle.
So, actually, hindi to first time na bumili yung asawa ko nito. Bali pang apat niya na to. Hindi ko tinapon yung mga previous na takip. So, tinapon ko lang yung ito, yung bote. Yung ganito. At saka sinave ko yung lid. So, ito yung mga previous niya na Tom Ford. Ito yung takip. Itong dalawa, similar dito sa nabili namin
I'll
yung
show this.
Extreme. Ayan, na hawak ng anak ko. Tapos ito, hindi ko matandaan yung ano, kung anong klaseng Tom Ford
gold
to.
and silver, guys. Let me try to smell. Before.
We tried it before. That's why we have two lids. So. Sa totoo lang, napakamahal ng perfume na to. Pero sulit kasi ang bango-bango niya. Tapos long-lasting talaga yung amoy. Kahit kinabukasan pa, andyan pa rin yung amoy. At similar pa rin yung ano, amoy. Yung parang hindi siya ano tawag ito, 'di ba yung iba kapag matagal na parang nakakahilo, pero itong Tom Ford ano talaga siya. Worth it talaga yung amount ng pera na ibibili mo sa Tom Ford. So, by the way, this is not sponsored again. We just buy it on our own expense. Talking about the gift, ito yun, Van Cleef and Arpel, tama ba? Arpels.
I'm going to open again.
Ang bango, guys.
Wow.
Parang ano din. Yun, may perfume din. Parang ayokong gamitin. Pero maganda to pag nagluto ng mga maaamoy na mga pagkain kagaya ng toyo or dried fish, guys.
Toyo.
May kandila na ako, guys. Para sa pagluto ng toyo. Ito din, guys, parang ayoko itapon. Ayan, maganda gold.
It's gold, guys.
I said it's gold, see? Parang ano, gold bar.
And here's
Ano
more
naman siya,
gold
sa tabo sa gold bar kasi
More
yung
gold bar.
presyo niya sobrang
More
mahal.
gold bar. Gold
Ito pa
bars.
gold bars.
And here's some silver bars
Where's the silver bars?
in my hand.
Yan, may
Silver
dalawa.
bar in my hand.
Is it silver bars? Silver bar, it's only one.